Welcome to Pulse AI Solutions. In this video, I'm trying to pivot and focus on helping teachers. I have friends who are teachers, kids are becoming teachers. I grew up with teachers, so it's kind of near and dear to my heart. So one of the things is for teachers, project that we're working on is something called Teacher Assist AI. Now, right now, I want to give a presentation or just kind of show you how one of the things that teachers talk about doing is doing a presentation for class. So here I'm going to show you how to do a presentation and you let AI take care of all of it for you. So first up is I asked ChatGPT, I said I need to create a presentation for high school PE students. And you can find Teacher Assist AI in the ChatGPT store if you're a Plus member. Um, I said, I need to create a presentation for high school PE students. Can you give me some ideas of what to talk about? Give me 20 examples. It is for one classroom session. So just one shot when I give a presentation on something. So it gave me a bunch of ideas, gave me 20 topic ideas to cover for a high school PE class: mental health, nutrition and hydration, safe exercise practices, yoga and mindfulness. One of the things then number 13, the role of sleep in fitness. Discuss how proper sleep is essential for recovery and performance. So let's say that was the topic you wanted to talk about in class. And sleep is important. I'm kind of a nutrition fitness person myself, used to be a personal trainer. So one of the tools I'm going to try here is something called slideswizard.io. Now, Microsoft is coming out with their own for their PowerPoint slides using Copilot. I don't have access to that, but supposedly Copilot is going to be similar, where you can just tell it what you want and Copilot using PowerPoint will do the rest. So Slide Wizard, we're going to try it. I've never tried. I've just been looking around. I saw, all right, this is kind of what I'm looking for. So it works with Google Slides and PowerPoint. The free version lets you make the presentation, but it's got watermarks and you can't export it or whatever. But if you pay per presentation, you pay $250. This will allow you to do that and download it. So let's see how good this is. So we put in the role of sleep in fitness, discuss how proper sleep is essential in recovery for performance. Let's click presentation outline. There's extra options. Select the template. Don't really care about the template. Maybe we'll just go blue. Number of slides. Let's pick I guess the max number is 8. Let's do that in English. Target audience, we'll say high school students. Clean that up. And all right, let's give it a shot. So create the outline, the introduction, the importance of sleep for fitness, the science of sleep and recovery, how sleep affects muscle growth, impact of sleep on athletic performance, tips on improving sleep quality, debunking sleep myths, and conclusion. I'd say all that's pretty darn good. What do you think? Let's click now. Now that it's got the outline, now we can create the slides. All right, so it took about 30 seconds. And now we have a PowerPoint presentation. Of course, you see at the top right corner, they have the watermark so that you have to pay for it. But here it goes. I'm looking at it for the first time with you. The importance of sleep for fitness. Hello, students. We're going to talk about that. Unlocking your athletic potential. So what we're going to talk about today in class is, and you go over the table of contents, blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. First up, the science of sleep and recovery. The stages of sleep consists of different, and talk about this, the role of sleep and recovery. So there you go. It's got a nice little picture, the science of sleep and recovery, kind of importance of sleep quality. Click on next. How sleep affects muscle growth, protein synthesis, muscle recovery. And of course, who doesn't like a little cat picture sleeping? That's a great picture too. I like that. Go on to the next one. Oh, look at this. It's got the impact of sleep on athletic performance, and it's got before sleep, after, optimal sleep, during exercise, long-term effects, chronic, so that's something that you can talk about. Tips to improving sleep quality: establish a consistent schedule, optimizing your sleep environment. So these are all quality things too. Let's go on to the next. Debunking some sleep myths. I can catch up on sleep. It's kind of debunked snoring is harmless. You got that. And of course, who doesn't like sleeping cat photos to get students involved with that? And then references, it's got here where I guess where they pulled the data from for your presentation. And that's it. So I don't know. To me, I mean, that took me seconds to do. We used our Teacher Assist AI to get an idea of what we wanted to talk about. And we use this tool, Slides Wizard IO, to create the slides for it. Now, if you are, I think I can get out of this back to, so you can edit. I mean, if you want to change the template, you can change the color. And then you can export the slides. So if you export it, of course, you have to pay for it. For $2.50. But there you have it. And then you can make the changes, any kind of changes that you want. So that is Slides Wizard .io. Let us know what you think in the comments. Is there other tools teachers might want to use or is using? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.